Hey guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this set of dining table with chairs for reviewing purposes. It's a really complete set that comes with everything that you're gonna need to do the assembly, all the instructions, all the pieces are labeled, which I think that it's nice. So let's go ahead and start assembling and let's see how it looks, okay? Come on! You can upgrade your dining space with this kitchen dining room table set that comes with 4 chairs that is designed for durability, comfort, and install in even small places. Built with a high quality metal frame and a sturdy MDF board tabletop, this set is made to last. The rectangular table measures 42 inches long, 27.6 inches wide, and 30 inches high, while each chair is designed to hold up to 400 pounds for reliable everyday use. It's perfect for apartments, kitchens, or dining rooms. This versatile set comfortably sits up to 4 people, ideal for family meals, casual gatherings with friends, or even a cozy double date at home. The chairs are built for comfort. They feature a curved backrest that is ideal for height matching with the table, and a thick leather seat pads that are both water resistant and have a stain protection, providing a supportive and relaxing seating experience. And when you're done, the space-saving design allows all 4 chairs to tuck neatly under the table, keeping your room organized and maximizing your floor space without sacrificing style. The assembly is quick and straightforward with all the level parts, detailed instructions, and the included tools. And thanks to its waterproof finish, cleaning it is as simple as wiping it with a damp cloth. Okay guys, and just like that, they are ready. I think they are really nice. They feel really stable and the materials look amazing. I love the combination of the colors between the wood-like design and the metal frame. I think that it gives a really rustic yet modern design. I think that it perfectly blends really nice aesthetics, and overall I think that it's nice. It has a nice size. You can fit 4 people, and you can place it in different configurations, like 2 at the side or just 2 persons, however you want to set it. I think that it's really nice, and overall I really like it, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.